Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. So what we need to do is to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. First of all, we are going to be copying the receiving address in Phantom wallet. So since we are going to be receiving the amount in Phantom wallet, click onto this receive option and Solana and click on this copy. You can see our address is now copied. Now we need to head over to our Binance. Head over to your portfolio from the bottom right. Click on Solana, and here you can see we have this takeout option. Click on withdraw, and now we are going to be pasting the address here. Long press and click on paste. Select the network Solana and the amount, and then you are going to be clicking on this withdraw option. Once you do that, you will be easily sending Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance.